Position the template on the ceiling, keeping in mind the channel distances. Next, use a laser to hang the template. Choose the appropriate drill holes on the template and then drill the holes. Loosen the tape and remove the template. Install the quick fix brackets onto the ceiling. Mount the 2 device brackets on both sides of the Flux Plus flat. Hang the unit into the quick fix bracket and pivot it into its final position. Install the 3 security bolts for extra safety.